Hi children, already we completed workbook page number 4 and 5 1 to 3 questions, right? Now the workbook page number 5, fourth question now. We'll write now fourth question. All of you take out your workbooks and complete writing this one. Okay. See, already we completed basic needs, growth, reproduction. Yes or no? Yes. Now the response. The workbook page number 5. Workbook page 5. The fourth one already completed. 3 we completed. What we completed? Basic needs we completed. Growth we completed. Reproduction we completed. Now response. Now response. Fourth one. What is the response? Already we had learned in the lesson. Yes or no? What is the response? See, response. All living things can sense. Sense means all living things can sense changes. All living things can sense changes and respond. Yes or no? అన్ని లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి? సరౌండింగ్స్ కి రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాయి కదా. అండ్ వీ హ్యాడ్ explained this example also. Why we are taking injection, we will respond to the changes or no? Living things now here, so we are responding. So that one only we are writing here. All living things can changes and respond to surroundings. Surroundings ఉన్న ప్రతి దానికి all the living things will respond. Yes or no? All living things can sense changes and respond to surroundings. So this is about response. This is the definition of characteristics of response. Okay. Next, fifth one. What is the fifth one there? What is the fifth one there? Cells. What is the cells? What is the cells? All the cells are made up of all the living things are made up of cells. All the living things will be having cells in their bodies. Can we see that all the cells in their body? No, we cannot see the naked eye. So what is the definition characteristics of these cells? Means the fifth one is cells. Cells. All the living things. All living things are made up of cells. All living things are made up of cells. Okay. Cells. All living things are made up of cells. Okay. Are you writing? You have to write in your workbook all this. You have to complete your workbook this one. And the last one, sixth one. Death. What happens? Death means what? చనిపోవడం కదా. So all the non-living things will die. Yes or no? No. Non-living things will not die. But all the living things will die for a certain period of time. Yes or no? Yes. All the living things will die for a certain period of time. So the death. The sixth one is a death. So what's the definition? What we have to write here means all living things will die. Enough, this small definition enough. All the living things will die for a certain period of time. Okay. So, response, cells, death. Completed. We have to complete this in our workbook. Okay children? After this, if you turn page, in a page number 6, this page, the first one you see, identify any two characteristics of living things in this picture. See, here two pictures are there. You have to identify two characteristics in this. Okay. Can you identify what is this characteristics? Can you identify? You have to say any two. What is happening there? This cheetah is what? is running to eat this deer. Yes or no? The deer is running away from this cheetah. Yes or no? So the deer is responding for this cheetah. Yes or no? The deer is responding for this cheetah, and this cheetah is running for what? It is running for its food. Yes or no? It is running. The cheetah is running for its food behind this deer. ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇది దీని ఫుడ్ కోసము డీర్ వెనుక పరిగెట్టుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. ఎందుకు? డీర్ ని పట్టుకొని చంపేసి తినేయడానికి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్ ఫర్ ఇట్స్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ చీతా. దిస్ ఈస్ రెస్పాండింగ్ టు దిస్. ఏమని రెస్పాండ్ అయింది? వాట్ ఇట్ రెస్పాండెడ్? అయ్యో, దిస్ చీతా ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు ఈట్ మీ, సో ఐ హాస్ టు రన్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఐ హాస్ టు హైడ్ సమ్వేర్. నేను ఎక్కడైనా దాక్కోవాలి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి పరిగెట్టుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయి అనేసి దిస్ డీర్ ఈస్ రన్నింగ్. ఓకే, so what is this one doing? What is this characteristics of deer? It is responding. Yes or no? This is the response and this is a running for food. These are the characteristics of these pictures. Okay children, after completing writing this one, take out your page number 6. Now the workbook page number 6, the first one. In this first one, the deer is running away from this cheetah, so it is a responding. Yes or no? The first one is a response. In the first box you write response. And the cheetah is running for its food. Yes or no? So there is it want a food. The second one is food. Okay. See next picture. Again here, next one. Describe the things in the picture with the help of the given keywords. Here they had given one picture for us. And here keywords are also given. By looking at these keywords, we have to complete this one. What is there in this picture, we have to write down here. Already we had given their lines. We are having some lines there. Yes or no? In these lines, what are these pictures, we have to write with the help of these keywords. With the help of these keywords, we have to look at these pictures and we have to describe everything here. Okay. So, what are the keywords? First one, living thing. The first one is a living thing. The second one is a non-living thing. Third one is a natural and a man-made. Okay. We know what is a living. We know what is a non-living. We know what are the natural ones. We know what are the man-made things. All this in this picture we have to identify all these things and what are these pictures we have to write here. Okay. Is it very easy now? This is very easy now to write. Everything is here only. Yes or no? So let's start writing this one also. Okay. So see the first one here. Living thing. First look at the first keyword in the yellow color box. There is a living spelling. So living. In this picture, there will be a living things. What are those living things? We have to identify and write here. If you see in this picture, there are sun is there, clouds, a tree, house, tire, this ladder, and this squirrel and the bird, everything are there. So among all those, what are the living things? What are the living things? Yes, this bird and this squirrel are living things. So in the first line, bird and squirrel are living things. Okay. See, if you see in this picture, this bird and this squirrel are living things. Only they both are living things. Okay. Next one. Non-living things. In this only there are non-living things also. We have to write the non-living things names also there. So see here. The tire is there. House is there. Here ladder. Ladder means nichina. Yes or no? Ladder is there. Okay, so they are non-living things. Yes or no? They are non-living things only, no? Yes. So write here. The tire. Okay. House. Ladder are non-living things. Okay, completed. Next, the natural things. In this picture only natural things we have to write there. The third one is the natural things. What are the natural here? Sun and the clouds are natural things. Yes. Sun and clouds are natural things in this picture. Yes or no? The sun and the clouds are natural things in this picture. And the fourth one, what are the man-made things? What are the man-made things? So I am erasing this one, first one, and I will write here the fourth one. The fourth one. The fourth one is a man-made. What are the man-made things here? If you see here, this ladder is a man-made thing. House is a man-made thing. The rope is a man-made thing. Yes or no? All those are man-made things only. So, house, ladder, tie, and rope also is there. Rope means taadu. Chettuku taadu pettundi kada tie ki. So, rope are man-made things. Okay, children. So we completed this page also. Page number 6 also we completed. So today what we have learned in the page number 5, last 3 questions. Response, cells, death. These 3 we completed, and we completed this page also. Okay, children. So what you will do means all of you has to complete all these. Okay, without keeping any pendings, you has to complete all this, and you has to read also. Okay, children. So all of you complete writing this one. Today this is the class for you children. Thank you.